Loading raw data into a data warehouse can be a messy, complicated process, but with Databricks, filling your Delta Lake with the freshest data available has never been easier. Here, we're working with some JSON telemetry data from IoT devices like smartwatches that track steps. New data files are landing in our data lake every 5 seconds, so we need a way to automatically ingest them into Delta Lake. Autoloader provides a new structured streaming data source called Cloud Files that we can use to do just that. First, to use Autoloader, we specify Cloud Files as the format for our data stream. Next, we specify which directory in the data lake to monitor for new files. As soon as they arrive, Autoloader efficiently and incrementally loads them into the Delta Lake table we specify. And that's it. Using Autoloader is like pressing the easy button for raw data ingestion. We don't have to specify a schema, set up a message queue, or manually track which files have already been processed. Behind the scenes, Autoloader keeps track of new file events using an always-on file notification service that's faster and more scalable than running costly list operations on your data lake. For time-sensitive data workloads, running Autoloader continuously is a no-brainer. But if your data only arrives every hour or every day, for example, you can run Autoloader in batch mode by specifying the Trigger Once option, then setting up the notebook to run as a scheduled job. In Trigger Once mode, Autoloader still keeps track of new files even when there's not an active cluster running. It just waits to actually process them until you run the Autoloader code again manually or as part of a scheduled job. Finally, SQL users that prefer a batch-oriented approach to data ingestion can use the copy-into command instead of Autoloader. Copy-into is a retriable and idempotent command, so it ignores data that has already been processed, just like Autoloader in Trigger Once mode. Try Autoloader and Copy-into on Databricks today.